Lovely.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violate to get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think I'm chatting?
Yes, guys, this is how we are looking. We have our black pepper, garlic, onion powder, right? Salt, Maggi, and the melon sauce. Remember, we promised that we're going to show you guys how to use it on different meat and protein. So today is fish. In the back here we have our butter, and we have our garlic and pepper with some breadfruit here. Lift it up, my lovely. And the fish, and we are doing an outdoor cooking, right? So we could just jump right in at a video. Let's go.
Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? I don't know your girl Ali the brightest.
I done to see the kingdom. So
Yes.
today, guys, we have an outdoor cooking. And we're not going to see a little clip up there, so I go on. But you don't know the thing, we have do some,
Yes, guys.
we have do some
Melon fish. With some fried breadfruit.
To be precise, we have used some macabac. So
Yeah.
you know macabac go good when it's fried and all of that. So we're going to fry some macabac and we have a sauce going in the melon sauce. So
Yeah.
you get a good idea how to use the sauce.
Yes,
because
guys.
it's all about globalist
Interaction, GA.
So forward with it.
Alright, guys, so we could just go catch the fire. And remember, drop it down below and tell us which other outdoor cooking or which other protein you would like to see us use the sauces on and the sauce. Remember,
and go over the chef channel, Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. Subscribe so you can see the epic video them with the same sauce them in a different style.
Yes, guys, and we've made a business Instagram, so that's Globalist Interaction JA, no space, and
One
we'll
word,
have it.
It's joined together.
Yes, no space, as I say, one word. So I'll have it on the screen. And remember, tell us the protein that you want to see us use the sauces on and be specific with the sausage. Remember, we have spicy chili, we have barbecue, jerk barbecue, pineapple, melon, guava,
Jerk
and
seasoning, sweet and sour.
coming soon. So let's get right into it. Yes, guys, and you see my lovely dear trying to light that fire.
Yeah, guys, and today tissue we are use catch a fire
With
here.
oil.
No plastic, no sticks, no paper, tissue.
With oil, guys, remember, with the oil. And this is a trick that we've learned, so try it and the fire will never out. Once as that tissue is light or lit, it can never out, and that will give you the good burning coal.
And you have to use good coal, so guys, because you have some of the coal them
Down good.
down good. So let's learn this. Come learn something new today.
Yes, guys, we're all in it to teach you guys and educate you on, you know, cooking tricks and tips, right? So we're just going to leave it. And remember, whenever you're lighting fire, allow the fire to get oxygen in order for it to breathe. If not, it will not light, right? So just going to allow this to get some oxygen and build up. Meanwhile, my lovely hair will start the seasoning up of the fish.
But first, I'm going to wash my hands soon forward.
So forward.
Few moments later.
Yes, guys, so we are on with the seasoning up of the fish. And you know, once seafood is involved, seafood on a whole, you will have flies. So don't come for us. Yeah. You don't know?
So we're going to make a rub, guys.
Yeah.
So the rub is consists of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper,
And a little.
Maggi.
Yes, guys. And look at that fire. Look how the fire big now, guys. And all we've used was that tissue with a little bit of oil. Look at that. Perfect, right? Alright, back to my lovely here. Yeah. Closer look. Look at that mixture.
Okay.
Yes, guys.
Alright, guys. So remember to season from high so it's even the spread.
And get it everywhere, guys. In the middle. Everywhere.
Set that aside. This is the macabac.
Yes. Give them a closer look, my love. maca back. Turn him over. Look at that. Yes, guys, we are learning, you know. I have some fisher friends teaching us the ropes.
Boldly big up yourself.
Right there.
And soon see we out on the scene now boat too, guys. So you can look out for them epic video they are coming soon.
Coming soon.
Unless she can't swim, so she kind of afraid. So maybe I'm here alone. But
No. I don't want to miss out on that. But I would have to, you know, get the proper gears needed. But I can't swim, guys, and I don't get the time to learn. Hence the reason I don't know as yet, you know. You know, them days when I used to go country and, you know, your brave cousin were a swimmer, a teacher, but you don't know how the vibe go. Guys, the lighting might be a little bit off. I don't know what's going on. So bear with us, right?
alright, so the fire almost there. So
Yes.
put on the pot now because the fish them actually ready.
Yes.
But we're gonna fry the fish them first.
We're going to fry the breadfruit first, guys, because you don't know. Don't want to.
Contaminate the oil.
Yes.
I know we're gonna fry the fish, we're gonna add some garlic in it and some pepper.
Yes, that was the reason for the garlic and the pepper to have that nice aromatic flavor.
Alright, so now we're gonna add the pot.
You gotta rest the pot on the fire.
Come look, I'm sure I set the fire catch before we even go further.
Lovely. But them I see what going, man. Big nice flame. Yes, guys.
So this ready? So I'm gonna cover up this to go and marinate. Breadfruit.
Yes, guys. So soon forward. My lovely is going to wash his hand and come back. So forward. Yes, guys. So look at the fire roaring hot with that pot. So we're just going to start with the frying of the breadfruit as we said earlier, right? Guys, and remember, leave it down below and let us know what else you want to see us use the sauces on. Right? So just a recap, we're using the melon sauce on fish. So let us know, right? So just come a little bit closer. Look at that sizzle. Beautiful. Beautiful, right? Yes, guys. It's been such a long time since we've done an outdoor cooking. Even me myself miss that, you know, outdoor vibe, right? Beautiful. Look at that. I know for my persons living overseas, this breadfruit is, you know, storing up a lot of memories for you, the good old Jamaican breadfruit. Portland, we get these breadfruit from, you know, guys. Portland has some good breadfruit. Beautiful. Catch my lovely in some of the action. Chef Reed. Yes, guys.
So they are going to put in the work. So soon as we get out all the fry all the breadfruit, them we know what we're going on.
Frying the fish, so forward.
Yeah, guys, so see Chef Alexander there.
Yes,
Right there, so. Ah, yeah, so nice. Nowhere else. So now just subscribe to the channel. Go over the Chef channel, Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. You understand? Or you can type in Chef Reed or you can type in Chef Alexander. We're gonna put the channel on the screen. So go and take it in and don't gonna watch the video to the end. We're so forward.
So forward, guys.
5 minutes later.
Yes, guys, so this is how we are looking. We are down to the final pieces. So I'm showing you what going. Yes, this is the final of what's left to be fried. So when these are finished, we'll just jump into the fish, right? So just let us know how you like your breadfruit, whether you like it boiled, roast and fry, or just roast and butter down, or yeah, let us know in that comment section down below. So forward again.
Yes, guys.
Just going to add the garlic and the pepper as I told you guys. Guys, I know a lot of you guys are afraid of frying fish, but we are right.
Yeah,
scale.
guys, so take a closer look. Yes. Yeah, guys, so see how the bad chef. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna make them go and
Fry.
fry.
Then we'll catch you guys back
When
again.
we're giving it a turn.
Yes, guys. So forward.
Yes, guys.
Time for that turn, guys.
And look what I'm going right now.
Time for the turn.
Well, no. No. Yes, guys, so I'm so I'm going. I'll need a bad turn. And
Nice and crisp, right?
so outside cooking, I know you wonder what going on a while ago. Somebody should have asked a question.
Guys, that's expected, right? We're doing this on the outside. People know also they're gonna ask questions, right? So we're gonna catch you guys back again when we are taking these out or whenever we finish, right? But just know that this is the crispiness we want, nice and golden, right? Super.
Few moments later.
Yes, guys, it's about that time, so we're gonna remove.
Drain the excess oil.
Yes, guys, take it in. Bad chef over here, so yeah.
Take these out. Guys, let us know if you eat fish or if you enjoy fish. What type of fish you enjoy and how you enjoy your fish, right? Yes, guys. Just leave all your thoughts and views down in that comment section and let us know what's going on.
Alright,
I'm
guys.
a person I can multitask, so I don't have to look on you. So forward.
So I know to catch a drift, guys, so we're gonna catch you in the back when we have sauce up them here. Soon forward.
Yes, guys, so these are all the fish finished fried and stuff, and we are going to show you the dip on the fish versus the cook down, right? So we'll soon come again when we're heading to that step. So forward.
Later.
Yes, guys, so it's time for that sauce up. Remember that we said we were going to use the melon sauce. Look at that packaging, cute, right? So let's go. Yes, guys, pot roaring hot. Ooh, that's what we want, right? Beautiful, perfect sizzle, so you don't have to wait. You can just drop in your fish right away. Your fish, whichever protein you choose to use, right? You don't know the bad chef about up the pot, yeah, because you don't know the vibe. Yes, guys, perfect,
So
right?
this is some melon fish, guys. First, you never hear this. Over here, so first when you see this.
Looks amazing. Remember, you know, guys, the bad chef, the sauce, Global Interaction JA Melon sauce. Remember the name of the brand, remember the sauce as well, guys. So as you see, you're going to give it frequent rotation in that sauce, because remember this fish has already been fried and hence the fry crispy, right? Because you don't want it to break up.
Alright, so let's see what we're going now.
Can remove. Alright, back in that pan. Yes, guys.
We're going to do a repeat.
Don't mind the sun glare, guys. We're outside, as I said before. Take that one out, and it's a nice sunny day, guys.
And this is breakfast.
Yes. Can
I'm going to show now next way how you can dip.
the dip, as I was telling you guys before, right?
Alright, so this ready.
Ready, we're ready, right? I'm going to just show you guys how you can use it as a dip, and then we'll just close off this video, right?
Soon forward.
So forward. Look at how it looks in the pan. That nice melon sauce coating those fish beautifully. So forward. Yes, guys, so I have here the fish and breadfruit, and I'm going to show you how the fish and the breadfruit, and I'm going to show you how you can use both as a dip. Remember, this is some of the sauce that came from the pot, so it's warm, right? Lovely. Beautiful. These fish don't have a lot of bone, guys, but you know, eating fish, you just have to be careful because fine bone do cause accidents. Fish. Amazing. And this is the end of this video, guys. And not because hold on. Not because we are the creator of these sauces, I'm giving these comments, but the sauces complement the breadfruit well and the fish well, guys. So leave down in the comment section. As I said before, leave it down in the comment section and tell us which other protein you want to see us use and the sauces. So we're just gonna give you guys the thought for today and wrap up.
Yeah, guys, so I'm done so I go on. I want to say everything we are going on the video and the whole of the clips them and how it can be used in every different ways.
Yes, guys.
You understand? And as Chef Alexander say, or Ali on the channel, or no,
yes.
So we're not lie about the thing.
It's not a joke matter,
so
right?
We get other people to go to feedbacks too. Understand? We have a review we're on the event. I can ask the person if we can post it first
before we go
post
ahead,
it.
yes.
So when we get the review, we send us the clips already.
But we're gonna ask for permission to put it in the media.
Everybody want in the media.
Yes. So that's what we say at the same time. So without further ado, we're just going to wrap up this video. The thought for the day from me, you know, try new things. See how best you enjoy new things. Whether it is a sauce, a new relationship, a new you. You feel what I'm saying? Just try new things to break out your comfort zone and see how best that new you fits you, right? And remember, put God at the forefront of whatever it is that you are doing. And short and spicy, that is it from me.
Yeah, guys, so I don't know how big up the fishing village. The private hidden place there. I want to see it on the Monday video. You understand?
Hopefully you guys recognize is where, but if not, we're not going to tell you guys until somebody recognize.
So I don't know the thing go. And we're there, we keep focus, we keep firm. As I'm telling you, say, support the movement, support the sauce. Then we have melon, we have guava, we have pineapple, we have
barbecue, jerk barbecue, spicy chili, and a whole lot more coming out.
And sour, we have jerk.
Those are coming out shortly.
Those are made from scratch. It's not like we buy anybody in a bulk and rebottle it. No, it's not like that. It's all on us. It's
all our sauces are made from scratch,
guys. All about globalist interaction, GA. So we support the movement, become a part of the AK Gang Active Knowledge. As I tell you, it's $550 per bottle.
Yes, guys, and just a look again.
If you're buying it wholesale,
if
you're buying it wholesale, you can get it for $500. And you can buy a box, you can buy a half box, you can buy whichever way you want.
Gallon, half gallon, 5 gallon.
We can ship it to you. If you're anywhere in Jamaica, we can zip mail it or mail it to you. You understand? Express can cost a bit, so if you want it express, it's going to be more.
Guys, you guys know how that go, right?
So it's a lot of things, and remember, the thought for today is work for what you want in a life. Not come easy. You have to push on and push on and push on. You see me make your downfall be your push factor. You understand? So just do the right thing, keep focus. It's a sin to feed a lazy man. And remember, what some man where you par with some girl where your wife up, my friend give me a knife cut. Bang! Bang! Boom!
We're out.